reading for March the 7th to March the 8th. Taurus, your cards are Balance, the Maiden of Cups, and the Enchantress. Siguro nagdadalawang isip tayo kung itong person na ito is may gusto din sa atin, kung may interest pa ba sa atin, no? Kung mahal pa ba tayo, kung mahal na ba tayo. Kasi with the balance in here, probably we're gauging our person's action. With the Maiden of Cups, pwedeng ipinapakita na rin natin yung interest natin, yung love natin, or probably tayo nag-initiate, no? Na ibigay kay person yung ating cups, yung ating love, yung ating heart. With the Enchantress in here, actually, medyo napapansin ni person yung mga pagbabago, no? Whether this is pagbabago sa katawan mo, pagbabago sa nakikita niya in physical form, pagbabago sa nakikita niya sa ugali mo. One thing is for sure, your person is actually appreciating, no? Ang mga bagay na ino-offer mo sa kanya. I feel like somehow, medyo lumalalim din, no, itong feelings niya sa'yo. Yeah, so that is your quick reading, Taurus, for March the 7th to March the 8th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.